I had a way then, lose it all on my own. I had a heart then, but the queen has been overthrown. And I'm not sleeping now. The dark is too hard to beat, and I'm not keeping out the strength I need to push me. You show the lights that stop me, talk to stone. You shine me when I'm alone, and so I tell myself that I'll be strong and dreaming when they're gone, 'cause they're
There's a motherfucking killer on the loose, and he'll destroy every single one of you. You better watch it, 'cause he's looking for your ass now. Better lock all your doors, shut the house down. He's making a list, and he's checking it twice. He was born pissed, and he's ready to slice. His reality ain't like yours and mine. He can shed blood, I hope it ain't mine. He don't give a fuck if you crying for help. He was born blind in the chambers of hell. Satan gave this homeboy a license to kill, and if he comes knocking, I'ma show him the deal. What the fuck you gonna do about that? What the fuck you gonna do about that? When the killer's showing up with a gas. I want somebody to hold me tight, to really love me, at least tonight. But I want good value, I hold you with the price. I want good value, so you better be nice.